better oxidation.
This one is very expensive.
Very expensive.
Very expensive.
You don't
Hey,
find
Feng Long. We're here at the Carbolus factory in Qingdao, China, and Feng Long is the managing director here, and he's going to explain a bit about a special process that his factory uses.
We apply a special process we call integrated vacuum oil filling system. Compared with the classical vacuum oil filling system.
Yep.
So we, as well known for power transformers, before we fill the oil, we must make the vacuum inside the oil tank. The objective is to remove all the atmosphere, the bubbles, adhere on the isolation paper.
Yep.
And also the bubbles inside the micro holes
In the
in the paper. And these bubbles, if we don't remove them, if they adhere when we power the transformers on the network, with the vibration and the heating, the bubbles will come out. And then when the bubbles pass by the high voltage and low voltage side, it will create an electrical arc. And the electrical arc will decompose the oil of ethane and gas. And it will create also carbon. So it will decrease the oil quality, decrease the service life of transformers. Another problem is the microbubble inside the insulation papers. It will create a partial discharge problem. So that's why on the very high voltage power transformers, we must apply the vacuum inside the oil tank and then we inject the oil. But for the small distribution transformers, small size, with these fins, we cannot make the vacuum inside the oil tank because we destroy the fins. So here we apply these technologies on the distribution transformers. So we put the transformers inside vacuum chamber. We make the vacuum in the chambers, and with this special equipment, we interconnected the oil tank with these chambers. So when the vacuum level attained, we will let the transformers to stay 30 minutes.
Acclimatized.
Yes, and let all the atmosphere come out.
Yep.
And then we inject the oil inside. And after, we must close the oil tank hermetically. And then during the whole life of the transformers, there is no contact between the atmosphere and the oil.
Yep.
And we made the test in laboratory. It shows with these special technologies, the transformers, the insulation papers can during 30 years the service life. And if we don't apply this technology, means integrated oil filling plus hermetically sealed transformers, the service life of the insulation papers can during only around 13 or 14 years. And if the worst is without this technology plus the conservator type, the service life of the insulation paper can reach only around 7 or 8 years. So that's why we do it. We apply this technology here. It's the specialist.
All right. Thank you very much, Feng Long. It's very
Thank you.
informative.
Yeah.